Today, we will talk about how to create a butterfly garden. Let's have a look at the details. A butterfly garden is a great way to attract a variety of different butterflies to your yard. Not only are butterflies delicate and beautiful to look at, but since they pollinate plants, they're important to our ecosystem, too. When you're planning your garden, research the plants that butterflies in your area prefer. Be sure to include nectar plants for their food, as well as host plants for caterpillars. The first step is choosing the plants. Research the species of butterflies that are native to your area. In order for the plants in your garden to attract butterflies, it's essential to understand which species might be living nearby. To determine this, you can research online, read a butterfly field guide, or talk to local horticulturists and butterfly gardeners. If there's a local butterfly garden in your area, you may want to plan a trip to see what's planted there as well. Plant a variety of nectar plants for your butterflies to feed on. Adult butterflies get most of their food and moisture from the nectar produced by certain flowers. While some species prefer some plants over others, butterflies will often feed on any nectar-producing plants, especially those with brightly colored flowers. Choose host plants where your butterflies can lay eggs. Opt for plants with wide, flat clusters of brightly colored, fragrant flowers. Include a variety of heights, colors, and shapes in your garden. Planting a diverse selection of plants will help attract more butterflies to your garden. Leave a nearby section of wild grass and wildflowers, if it's possible. If you have the space, consider leaving a patch of ground somewhere near your garden, where you grow the natural grass, wildflowers, and undergrowth that would occur in the wild. During periods of wind and inclement weather, butterflies typically take shelter in tall grass and shrubs. This patch will provide a natural hiding spot to keep your butterflies safe. The second step is picking the location and planting the garden. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Pick a location that's sheltered from strong wind. If the butterflies are exposed to high winds, they'll spend most of their energy just trying not to get blown around. Place the shorter plants in front with taller varieties in the back. The butterflies will have an easier time reaching their food if you arrange your plants from shortest to tallest, almost like stair steps. Plant your flowers in large groups. Butterflies are pretty small, but they prefer big clumps of flowers. Group flowers that will bloom at the same time. To make the most of your butterfly display, research what time of year each plant will bloom. Then, create sections out of the plants with the same flowering window, so you'll have bright groups of blooms opening at about the same time. And the third step is adding other butterfly-friendly elements. Include 1 or 2 large, flat rocks in your butterfly garden. Butterflies love to soak up the sun while resting on a nice, warm rock, especially early in the morning. Provide a patch of wet sand where the butterflies can drink. Butterflies typically won't try to drink out of a deep water source like a pond or a bird bath. Instead, they prefer to get their moisture from damp earth. Set up a butterfly box if you want to give extra shelter. A butterfly box is similar to a birdhouse, but it has slatted openings. Put out a tray of fruit scraps if you want to provide extra food. While your butterflies should get all of the nutrients they need from the nectar plants in your garden, they may enjoy an extra treat. If you'd like to include one, hang a butterfly feeder in your garden for a steady source of nectar. If you want to ensure your butterflies always have something to eat, even when your garden isn't in bloom, you can hang a butterfly feeder in your garden. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.